The little boy kicked the ball. Is the little boy the subject or the object? Think carefully. Today, we shall learn about the subject and object of a sentence. You will learn how to identify them easily. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for more lessons. The subject of a sentence is the person, animal, place, or thing that performs the action. The subject usually comes before the verb in a sentence.
Mary cooked rice. Mary is the subject because she performed the action.
The dogs bark loudly. The dogs are the subjects because they performed the action. Noun as subject. John won the race. John is the subject. Pronoun as subject. She sings beautifully. She is the subject. Noun phrase as subject. The tall man in black is my uncle. The complete noun phrase is the subject of the sentence. Gerund as subject. Swimming keeps the body healthy. Swimming is the subject. Infinitive as subject. To travel abroad is my dream. Object means the receiver of the action. The object of a sentence receives the action of the verb.
The object usually comes after the verb in a sentence.
Ada bought a bag. A bag is the object. The teacher punished the boys. The boys are the object because they received the action. Noun as object. The girl kicked the ball. The ball is the object. Pronoun as object. The man called him. Him receives the action. Noun phrase as object. She bought a beautiful red dress.
A beautiful red dress is the object. Gerund as object. I enjoy reading. Reading receives the action.
Infinitive as object. They decided to travel. To travel is the object in the sentence.
The farmer planted maize. What is the subject? What is the object?
Write your answers in the comment section.
Subject means the doer of the action. Object means the receiver of the action. Now you can identify the subject and object in a sentence.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Return for more English lessons.